So from here, what you want to do is you want to go into the search bar, and from here type in Spreader. And then this is the app that we'll be using as an Amazon importer. But if you want, then you can just go for Amazon. If you don't want to use the Spreader app, then you also have a lot of other apps that you can do that with. So for example, let's just wait for this one to load. Let's go for Amazon again right here and click on the Shopify App Store. And then you would be able to see the apps right here that is available for you. So in my case, what I recommend is the Amazon Spreader app right here, but you can also go with Amazon Integration Plus. It has a free plan available, but it's kind of buggy in my opinion, because when I use it, it's kind of buggy. And then you can also try other programs right here, or apps. Some of them I haven't used yet, but the best one so far was Spreader, because it's very easy. All you have to do is click on this and then click on install right here, and once you install it, you'll be prompted right here. And then as you can see, I already have my other products, but the procedure in linking your Amazon affiliate links is very simple. All you have to do is go into Amazon and go for the product that you would want to link into your Shopify store. So for example, I would want to link this one right here, just for an example. And let's say I want to go and link this. Let's copy the link of this product right here. So let's just copy that, right click, copy, and then paste it here into Spreader. Paste, add product. And all we have to do now is just wait for it to finish connecting your affiliate link from Amazon to Shopify. And now it's gonna, as you can see, it's now product added successfully. So now it's all good. We can see it now right here. And of course, you want to read this important notice. So important, set up Amazon affiliate ID to receive sales commission. So you need to set this up in order for you to earn. And once you're here, as you can see right here, you can click on edit, and then you would be able to edit the product information into your Shopify store right here from your Amazon product right here. So you can edit the description, the title, the media, pricing, and so on. You need to edit the pricing right here because this is from Amazon. Of course, you want to increase it, maybe something like this, so that you would be able to see the save button. So let's click on save. And now once you're done, you can already see it here in the product section of your Shopify store. Yeah, it's just as easy as that. And from here in your Spreader app, you can see it right here. You can have the view icon right here. When you click on that, you'll be able to view your product right here in your store. As you can see, it is marked as this price as we have currently, we have edited earlier. So that is basically it on how you can add Amazon affiliate links to Shopify. I hope this video helped you out.